Here we are again at some original place. This is a very original place. This is the place that they are brewing syrup, apple syrup, and that is what we see here. What we see here is the tractor. It's a real tractor. It's a little bit rusty. It's a little bit rusty, as you can see, but I'm gonna make the video like the panning video. Okay, now let's do the panning video. That they are extracting the maple syrup, the apple cider, and that's what it say. 100% pure Vermont maple syrup. And it's the sugar house. It's the gift shop. There are apples. Oh, apples. Wow. Oppa, it's the season of the apples now. As we can see, these are called Paulette. Now let's see. Yep. How about the pickles? Do they have the pickles? Okay, so it's an apple season today, and yeah, and that is where the syrup should be on display. That should be the display of the syrup. But it's a Labor Day today. Nobody works on Labor Day. Yep. So we just have the apples today. The apples are so good looking apples. Wow. Yeah, we are in Putney, Vermont. You are in Maple Country. Maple Country, yeah, sounds good. And my favorite tractor. Yep, that is the machine. The machine is so cool. That is the coolest machine ever. Yep. So now we go.